Are you tired of spending time and money on overpriced construction software or using a dozen different apps just to run your business? We can help. Welcome to Contractor Foreman. So what is Contractor Foreman and how much does it cost? Contractor Foreman is the most affordable all-in-one project management software for your tablet, phone, and computer. It includes over 35 modules and is trusted by contractors in 30 countries. It's been ranked #1 multiple times, and best of all, plans start at only $49 a month. And you can sign up for a free trial and start using it right now. Other software companies charge you $200 to $400 a month, and they charge you even more for each project. Not with Contractor Foreman. Add as many projects as you want. We do not penalize your success. So what do you get for such a small investment? Hold on tight because here we go. Unlimited projects. Timecards with GPS and geolocation. Estimating. Client portal. Daily logs. Accounting with QuickBooks integration. Expenses tracking. Contacts directory. Lead management. Big management and invites. Scheduling with Gantt and critical path method. Bills. Purchase orders. Service tickets. File management. Job costing reports. To-dos. Notes, work orders, safety meetings, change orders, calendars, project and team chat, audit logs, vehicle and equipment logs, checklists, forms, punch lists, inspections, subcontracts, opportunities, correspondence, submittals, employee write-ups, incidents with OSHA 300 logs. Is that it? Nope, there are more modules being developed this very moment. Best of all, you can literally be up and running with Contractor Foreman in minutes, not months. No one else comes close to delivering this much bang for your buck. Trust us, we looked at over 100 different construction software companies. Did I mention that it starts at $49 a month? We've got your back. Training and support are free. No costly support plans like the other companies charge. Future updates are also included for free. When you sign up today, you never have to worry about your price increasing. It's locked into the current extremely low price. But wait, there's more. All annual and multi-year plans come with a 100-day money-back guarantee. What does that mean? Sign up today, and if you decide within the next 100 days that Contractor Foreman is not for you, let us know and we will give you a full refund. You will not find another company willing to do that. Talk about confidence and removing all risk. We believe in delivering the same kind of customer service we expect from others. Real people, real answers, right now. So what are you waiting for? Start your free trial of Contractor Foreman today and see for yourself how easy it is to start saving time and money. Create your free account at contractorforeman.com.